Imagine transforming lives through the power of sustainable gardening. At 100 Humanitarians International, we're doing just that with our innovative garden towers. Learning to grow their own food with a garden tower can be a transformative experience for families living in poverty. This simple yet effective solution offers a multitude of benefits that significantly impact their lives. In Kenya, over 10 million people live below the poverty line of $1.90 a day. But with your help, we have the ability to reduce that number by teaching families how to grow their own food. Meet Evelyn, a remarkable woman whose life has been transformed by the garden tower. We met Evelyn 4 years ago. She was homeless, living on the streets with her husband and children, and her story touched our hearts deeply. Today, Evelyn's 2 children are in school, and she has changed her life with the power of the garden tower. She now has food for her family and can testify to the goodness of this incredible tool. Evelyn not only takes care of her family, but also supports the most vulnerable in her community by sharing her harvest. She is also selling extra vegetables and saving to build a home. Her story is an incredible testament to resilience and hope. Join us in empowering families like Evelyn's to break the cycle of poverty, one garden tower at a time. Together, we can cultivate a future of self-reliance and hope.